everybody, welcome back to the wood shop.
As you probably know, woodworking is a good way to make gifts for people, and my dad's birthday is coming up soon. Him and Mom have been wanting some new shutters for their house for quite some time, so we've decided to build some.
These are going to be board and batten style shutters. They're pretty easy to make. All we're going to need, we have some pressure treated fence pickets we picked up at our big box store. We've got some wood glue, and we have some wood screws. These are number 8 1-inch ceramic coated. So let's go ahead and get to work. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is sand down these fence pickets. When you get them, they are rough sawn, and they're also pressure treated with some chemicals because they're going to be used outdoors. We were going to run these through the planer, but it's not a great idea to send pressure treated wood through the planer. It can gunk up your machine and dull the blades. So we're just going to gently sand these with some 80 grit. Be sure when you are sanding these boards or anything pressure treated that you do use some form of dust collection. We've got our sander here hooked up to our dust collector. Be sure to check out that video here, and let's get started.
Well, now we have the roughness sanded down on both faces of these boards. It's time to deal with the edges. Now, when you buy these boards, they say 4 inches, but they're about 4 1/8, so we got a little bit to work with. We're going to use a table saw. We'll rip about 1/16 of an inch off of each side of these. Now, each shutter has 3 boards. We're working with 6 windows here, so you got 36 boards to do. Alright, now we have all the vertical boards done for our shutters. We're going to go ahead and get started on the battens. Now we went ahead and sanded down the faces and ripped off the edges just like the other boards. Now for the battens, we're going to rip these in half and not use the full width of the board. And since we've already got it ripped down to 4 inches, you can't make 2 2-inch strips out of a 4-inch board because of the blade curve. So these will wind up being 1 inch and 15/16 each. Now each shutter is going to be 5 feet long, so we'll need 3 battens per shutter.
Alright, the next thing we're going to do is cut our boards to length. Now these fence pickets are 6 feet when you get them from the store, and you'll see they have a little dog ear on top like a fence picket normally does. We don't want that to be part of our shutter, so we're going to cut that off. But the first thing we're going to do is flush up the flat end, then we'll measure up 5 feet and give it another cut. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is cut out the battens for our shutters. Our shutters are going to be 5 feet tall and 14 inches wide. We have our stop block set up at 14 inches. We're going to do 3 battens per shutter, so let's go ahead and get 6 pieces cut out.
Okay, now we've reached the assembly stage. It's time to put our shutters together. We're going to do that with the front facing down. We will have to pilot hole through each board. We're going to put 2 screws in each one, and we're going to use some wood glue. I mean, I've read online about people saying, you know, you can use wood glue with treated wood. Some people say it won't stick, but, you know, what's it going to hurt to have some under there anyway?
We've measured out our boards. The top and bottom battens will be installed 9 inches from each end, and then the center batten will be right in the center at 30 inches. So let's go ahead and get this assembled.
there you have it, a very simple and inexpensive way to make some board and batten shutters for your house. Now, if you total up the lumber we have in this, these fence pickets, they're really cheap. So one window's worth of shutters is about $8 worth of wood, and the screws that are in this, they're more expensive than the wood actually, probably. So you're talking maybe $2 worth of screws. So you're not bad, 10 bucks for each window. Can't go wrong there.
This is a farmhouse style board and batten shutter. They're really easy to customize. This is for a 5-foot window. We also have some for a 3-foot window, so just measure accordingly. And if you wanted to stain these, they would look great. If you wanted to paint them, that'd be great too. They're fun, easy, customizable, and we hope that you try to make your own.
Now we left these unfinished. We'll let Dad decide what he wants to put on them, whether he wants to do stain or paint or whatever. But just make sure when you put these together that you use exterior rated screws. These are ceramic coated. That's very important. You don't want them all breaking up later on and falling apart. And also you want to screw them to your house, of course, with exterior screws too.
We hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more great home decor projects, we've got tons of them on our channel, so be sure to subscribe to Wood Songs by Russell right here on YouTube. We're also on Facebook, so meet us over there. And we have a website, www.woodsongsbyrussell.com. Thanks again for joining us today. Happy woodworking!